Welcome to this channel once again. This is Efeogo Joseph, your anchor person at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log into your Magnet website from your ClickerBot. So if you have been mining the Magnet coin and you have been passing through your wallet to log into the coin to your website, this video will teach you how to bypass that particular order. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button to receive our notifications whenever we publish new videos. All right, thank you so very much for doing that. Let's move ahead to our main lesson for today. So for us to go to the website now, we're going to do one thing. We're going to look at this area that is Magnet. This particular shortcut here, the icon, we click on it. All right, you can see there are three different links here. One is titled Go to Magnet, the other one is Magnet's website address, while this one is your wallet address. So which one do we require? We're going to be looking at the first one up here. We'll click on it to go to Magnet. So you allow it to boot account. So with this, you don't need to be logging out from your Magnet and then first, or you don't need to log out your Magnet ClickerBot and then go to your wallet first or whatever. But with this, you can just go directly to the website. So wait and allow it to boot. Okay, now that we're here, you look at these three horizontal lines and click on it. Okay, and then you click on Connect Wallet. So you have to agree by checking this box. All right, if you look at these icons, this one in the middle is for Trust Wallet because we are using Trust Wallet in this particular video. So you click on it and then you click on Trust Wallet again to connect. Okay, so you permit. Okay, so it will now connect this to your wallet through that direction. All right, now look at this again. Let's check if we are already connected. Okay, we'll connect our wallet now. Just the same procedure. Click on Trust Wallet, then authorize. Click on sign, then you sign it. You can see now that you're already in your wallet. This is your address. This is the link to go to the back office, and this will automatically take you to your back office. So you can see now that we're already in our back office and wallet address is showing here and other things. With this, you can also see some things in your back wallet. Yes, you can see, okay, there are your magnets. You see your wallet, see your registration and all that. So you can see all that you need to check in your back wallet, so in your back office. So that is how to log in to your website from the ClickerBot. Thank you and see you again in our next video.